and we've got your weekly numbers, of course, as well. This is going to be quick, so bear with me. Hope you like some numbers. You know I do here. Give me just a minute here. I'm going to show you what that's looking like. We are live. We come out live every Monday with a market update. We look back a week in the past. So if you got any questions at all, please let me know. Well, go ahead and show the screen here. So what this is a little different than what we're typically showing. This is going to be January 1st through March 29th of 2011. So 10 years back. May seem like a lot to some, seems like yesterday to me, showing my date in the industry here, I guess, at this point. So what we had comparative first basic quarter of 2011 versus this quarter, 71 transactions versus this year's, we've got 74. What you'll notice immediately here is the price. So we're going to go right from averages. So our average list price is $96,000 and some change. Our average price per square foot, again, on list side, $60.87 per square foot. So if you've been paying attention at all, you know that's quite a bit less than what we're at today. Average closing price, again, this is Tiffin, Seneca County area. We're only looking at $87,280. Another big indicator here is days on market, 196 days on market. You look over here to the total, maximum 901 days, maximum day on market. Again, looking at 10 years ago, a huge difference again from what we're looking at today. So again, if we're looking over here at maximums, 151 was the highest price per square foot 10 years ago, first quarter. We'll flip over to what this last 3 months has looked like. Again, 74 transactions on average. Again, we'd like to look at that. I like bigger spreads of numbers here. We start getting into the quarters, makes a little more sense. Average list price, 164,000. Again, comparative to our 96,000 10 years ago. Average list price per square foot, $98 a square foot. That's up from $60 a square foot, again, a decade ago. And average sold price, $182,867 in the last 3 months. Again, comparative to 10 years ago, $87,000 total sales price. Average days on market, again, 58 days on average. So that's sign in a yard to sitting at a closing table and you're getting keys handed to you. 58 days, again, comparative to the 196 on average. Maximum the last 3 months, 246, again, from that 901. So we'll talk more about that as we get into the full quarter here. We're going to do a deeper dive here in a full special, I guess we'll put it that way. We got a lot more numbers to kind of look at from there. So here's on your weekly numbers. So we've got in the last 7 days from today, we've had about 17 transactions happen. Again, new listings, contingent, pending, and sold properties. So new to the market, we've got 7 brand new listings on the market. Again, Tiffin, Seneca County area. Unfortunately for you home buyers, 2 of those are already gone. That's a lot better than what we've been doing. A lot of times, a lot of those have been falling off. Contingent, we've had 4. Pending, there are, I guess, 4. One of those have sold. So we actually had 5 and then 2 in a sold category. So what's that look like? You're looking to buy a home, Tiffin, Seneca County area. What's available? As of right now, there's 31 properties for sale. Of those, only 8 are active, meaning the rest of them have an accepted offer on them. So if you see a sign in the yard, odds of it being available are probably pretty nil. That is up from what we've been at. Looking back from weeks past here, right now we're at 8 active properties. We've only had 5, 5, and 5 the last 3 weeks. Pending, 19. Again, quite a few have sold comparative to 24, 27, and 26. Pending, 4, pretty consistent. Active market properties, again, we had 31 comparative the week prior, 33, week before that, 37, 36. What's available per price? So 100,000 or less. Right now, there's only 2 properties. Last week, 4, the week before that, 2 and 3. 100 to 200, we actually have 2. Again, that's up quite a bit from where we were at. 4 weeks ago, we had 6 there. 200 to 300, we do have 2 properties, again, up quite a bit. 3 to 400, there is 1 active property. 4 to 500, the big old goose egg again, and that 500 plus still the 1. So you can see that the market has changed quite a bit. As we all know, the real estate tends to trend upwards. It's changed a lot in 10 years. So we'll do a bigger deep dive here going forward, but we really appreciate you stopping in. If you do have any questions, any particular topics you want us to cover, we will do that in depth. But again, we'll keep checking back and making sense of real estate with our Monday market